In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to fast charge any Android phone so that you have a better battery life for a better phone performance. So this trick is common for all Android devices. You could have a phone from Samsung or maybe LG or maybe Motorola. Not a problem, it's common. Alright, so the first thing is get hold of your phone, and once you do that, I want you to directly get to settings. Once you're here, I want you to get directly to the battery settings, and as you could see, the battery level would be mentioned right on top. Now, I have a Huawei phone. Whatever phone you have, I'm very much sure you are going to see settings for your battery. If you do not get this option, you could directly do a search for battery out here. After you do that, you could just click on the option for battery and get to the screen. Alright, or the screen that is shown for your device. It could be slightly different, not a problem, but the settings are more or less the same. Right now, once you're here, you could see that you have options to go to power savings mode to have more phone time, or ultra power savings mode to have even more phone time. On my phone, if I use power savings mode, you could see that I could use my phone for like 7 hours and 39 minutes. Right now, if you do not need to use the internet, you could go for ultra power savings mode. If you use that, at least on my phone, I am going to have like over 31 hours of phone time. So say supposing you're traveling out and you need to just call or receive calls, you could use the ultra power savings mode so that your battery lasts for longer. But say supposing your battery is going to die and you need to fast charge your phone, what you could do is just click on more settings or more battery settings or whatever it is showing on your phone. Now, once you're on the screen, you are going to get an option to fast charge your phone. Most Android devices would be having that. It is by default turned off. You need to turn that on. Turn that on, and along with that, you need to turn on smart charge so that your phone's battery health is preserved and the performance becomes better. My phone is almost 4.5 years old. I'm still using it and I have no issues whatsoever. So I hope this helps you to fast charge your phone. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.